my morning coffee to feel great. My head is hurting. Let me try this. Son iguales, nomás que frío y caliente. I said mashed potatoes.
Is it a regular potato?
Yeah, I got my mashed potatoes. This looks so good. What if I was like, hey, can I get some extra whipped cream on that, please?
Like I said, we hungry.
Dale, Monse. Ay, no sé ni dónde empezar. Chocolate banana. Oh God, it's so good. And I love whipped cream. Those pancakes are so good. I gotta finish this first. Egg Benedict shrimp with basil. Let's see. Oh. Wow, the seasoning on this. I need a napkin. Mashed potatoes, tan buenos. Oh, so good. Babe, I need you to make this back home. The real question is that, can I finish these pancakes? You think I can pull it off? Representando a todos los Loyas. I'm getting food coma. Last piece. Wow. Nunca le he visto comer así. I need to use the restroom after this. La última pieza.
Are you gonna help me?
No. Oh no. Cada vez que entra alguien gritan like aloha o algo.
They tell you hi.
This is a Hawaiian themed restaurant. So recommended. Shirahama. Se cambian. Aquí son tents. After we were done eating, we drove like 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours from Osaka to this beach, Shirahama. Beautiful beach. Today is all about relaxing and gaining our energies back, letting our feet rest, descansar un poco, disfrutar la hermosa playa de Japón. Let's go explore. Pizza chips. Están buenos. Qué relajados. Falta el churrillo. Entonces vamos a ir de aquel lado a ver qué se ve.
Voilà.
Otro lado. It's gonna rain at 5 p.m., which is in an hour. Darn it. Acabamos de llegar. I wonder if people are gonna leave when it starts raining. Oh, this water's so fresh. Ah, this water feels great, bro. What is this, a Pacific Ocean? Oh, I don't know if it's good. Oh, this feels good. Recommend this place. It looks like it's gonna rain in an hour, so I'm trying to kind of swim. Let me take Luffy's hat. Salty, but not too much. Not like in America. Never mind. I was about to fly the drone. Found this perfect spot where I can take off and take a shot of this whole place. Forgot my memory card in the car.
What an idiot!
Forgot my SSD card, so man, I wanted a drone shot, but oh well. Still try to do the best I can for show you guys this beautiful before it starts raining. Let me tell you, this water right here feels amazing. If I'm not mistaken, I think we're on the Pacific side of the ocean, but bro, feels great. But we can't stay here too long because of that. It's gonna start raining soon. At least we got a little bit of swimming time and to hang out at the beach. We have another 3-hour drive back, but it was a relaxing day. It was supposed to chill, enjoy the beach. Tomorrow we'll be in Kyoto and then Tokyo to end the trip. Look at that. Started raining. Empezó a llover. Llegó el sunset. Son las 5:10. Se está aclarando el beach. This is one of the beaches of many here in Japan. I just chose this one because it's closer to Osaka. It's 2 hours away. Allí. Vamos a esperar. Se baje un poquito, pero empezó a llover macizo. Monkey D. Luffy. Un animation. Ay, pero qué rico. When have you ever seen the beach and rain? Está bien rica la lluvia. Enjoying the rain. ¿No nos ha caído lluvia? It's a foot warmer, foot cleaner. See, yes. Oh, this feels so good. It's so warm, like a jacuzzi. See, por favor. So warm. The motto of today, even though we didn't do much, is enjoy the little things, no? Try to enjoy the little things. We found this foot warmer. It's really good. Bien suave. Finally, I get to try ramen for the first time. It's in Japan. I'm curious how this tastes. That's why Naruto likes it.
So good. So good.
Just one more. Es para chile, ¿verdad? Voy a poner poquito nomás. A ver este huevo. Está frito el huevo. Lo pedí con butter, made it 10 times better. So good. Where are you from? He's put a sticker. A lot of people are from South Korea, China, I think. But put a sticker. Texas. Tú me deseó macizo acá afuera. 10 out of 10. Recommend for my first time eating ramen. Vámonos, nos espera una manejada de 3 horas. I wonder if you can get a thunder like data. Nice to meet you, Ese güey en chinga tiene unos huevos.